Hey guys, we're going to have mashed potatoes, roast beef, and gravy for lunch today. And I've got some potatoes here I peeled up and chopped them, put them in some cold water for now. And then I have the peelings and I am cutting those up thin slice and we're going to fry those. All right, here's what we've got. We got all of those and what's in there. I'm just going to put these in the water for now. All right, I got my iron skillet heating up with some bacon grease. And I got some onion right there we're getting ready to put in there. All right, that grease is good and hot. And now we're just going to put our julienne potato skins in there. And we got a jumper. Gotta get him out of there. Look at that, guys. A whole skillet full of potato skins I was going to throw away. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. We love pepper around here. And some salt. And we're going to let these babies fry for a little bit. Ooh, guys, look at them. Starting to crisp up. Smelling good up in here. And guys, you don't need to do this in an iron skillet or even on the stove. You can put that in your air fryer, spray a little olive oil on them, and they'll crisp up. So yummy. All right, guys, here is my plate of home fries. Still got Billy some in the skillet. He's getting ready to eat them. He likes them really crispy.
Wish I had some malt vinegar to put on it.
Yeah, that's one thing we don't have yet.
We had it.
Yeah, but you didn't like it. You didn't like that flavor of that one.
You gotta have the good stuff.
He's eating them with his fingers like fair food. They do taste like the French fries you get like at the fair.
So good.
All right, guys. I think you like some. Next time you peel potatoes, think about it. Save the peelings and chop them up into julienne fries.
You can always put them in a bag and freeze them.
That's what we're thinking about. We might do.
And you can use them in soups or anything.
All right, guys. Don't forget to hype, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next time. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.